Very windy. Like Gene was saying, the planes are still taking off. I feel like if I were to jump, I would take off and start flying around right now. It's that windy. The snow is still coming down. I have to squint because when you look into the wind, the snow really starts blowing into your face. And just a few minutes ago, my cameraman Edwin told me to just take a look over my left shoulder, and I did. And you can still kind of see it there. It looks like there's a cyclone of snow on Elm Street, but aside from the wind and the snow, we've seen plow crews up and down Elm Street all afternoon. You can see the pavement on the roadways, which is a great sign that crews are out treating the roads, they're clearing them, they're getting all of that snow out of the way. We've also seen plenty of activity on the roads, lots of cars driving up and down Elm Street, also some people walking up and down the sidewalks. I happened to bump into a gentleman and asked him why he was walking, how he was doing it, and he said the best way to do it is just put your head down, get your hood up, and try not to look into the snow, get to your destination as fast as possible. And as I'm wrapping up here and look a little bit to my right, my hood's blowing off. It's still this windy. I'll keep you guys posted how Manchester continues to develop throughout the afternoon, but right now, I'd still say it's pretty windy.
Hey, Ricky, it's Erin, and I just wanted to ask you, are some of the businesses open there? What are you seeing there on Elm Street?
Not any of the businesses in the immediate area. We did actually, though, see what appeared to be a pizza delivery driver pull up in front of our vehicle earlier, our station car, and watched him deliver a pizza to one of the apartment buildings on Elm Street. So not seeing any crazy action on the businesses here on Elm Street in Manchester, but definitely still seeing some folks out and about, whether it's a pizza delivery driver or someone just walking to visit a friend's apartment down the road. There's definitely still some action here in Manchester.